Evening guys, welcome to Saturday the 6th of July. I'm finally baling. Yeah, okay, that was a bit weird. Yeah, finally on to baling. It's been a bit long and drawn out this year, it's doing my head in. But yeah, finally got this baling done. We're on the Far Ings field. They've cleared that side. Massey's down there, getting loaded up. That trailer's been loaded once already with about 140 odd bales. Big girl's down there. She's got the big 32 footer on the back. I'll try and give you something clean. And yeah, we're just on with the. Sorry, I'm trying to drive, trying to count how many bales I got in my sled. And everything in between. So yeah, we're getting on alright. Hopefully we'll get this field done tonight anyway. It shouldn't be too bad. I think we're up on last year anyway. We're up on the bale count from last year. So there's that many little bales that have come off it. We're looking at probably about 400. And then we've got the 4 banders that I did video of last night. There's quite a few of them, there's more than I thought of them, to be fair. But yeah, we're doing alright. Right, I don't know if you can see down there, but my sled's free. My sled's full. All the out. And my loader man will be behind me. Will be behind me, hopefully. There you go, watch you mess this one up. Yeah, we've had a few problems this year, but I'll go into that later on for you. This is a short one, just for you to see what we're doing. And hopefully I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye.